Welcome back to Adam's DIY Universe, and today I'm looking at a fairly weather-beaten fence. Now, rather than pull that down and start again, I'm thinking, how can I tidy that up? Also, towards the bottom of the fence, it's getting a little bit rotten, and that's due to the fact that the neighbouring property is up just a little bit higher. So the soil and water is slowly coming through there and rotting the bottom of the fence a little bit. And what I thought I could do, from having a look around in my garage, I found a whole lot of old weatherboards, and to me they looked a little bit like skirting board. So what I thought I could do was attach them along the bottom. It would help retain that area and keep the soil from sort of coming through, and tidy it up and pull all those boards back together. Also along the top, I found a whole lot of these little thin bits of trellis type material, and I get them every time I go to the hardware store. I use them for sort of stirring paint and all of that kind of stuff. And what I thought is I could run that along the top, and that could just tidy up the top of the fence as well and pull it all back into line. So I'm going to get into that now and see how it looks. As you can see along the top of this fence, a lot of it is a little bit rotten where water sits after, say, rain and starts eating into the wood. So what I've done is put a line of thin wood along the top, which is now parallel with that, and then I'm coming along and attaching a slightly wider piece of wood to cover that all the way down. So that will cover and pull in the fence along the top, but also protect it against the rain once I've painted it, etc. Now you can see with the capping along the top, the skirting along the bottom, and I've just built up the soil and planted some new grass there, that this fence line is looking a lot smarter and will be good for many years to come. If you've found this video helpful, please press like and subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks around the house, garage and garden. Thanks for watching.